Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to push O-rings. Firstly, take a long drag from your vape or cigarette. Keep your lips rounded like an O and your tongue at the bottom of your mouth. Use a gentle controlled cough or a diaphragm push to release a ring. Gently wave your hand behind the ring to push it forward. Do not move too fast as this can break the ring. A slow sweeping motion works best. Now, tap the side of the ring gently with your fingers to give it a spin or change its direction. You can practice a light touch. Too much force will break the ring. Now move your lips closer to the ring and gently blow a small puff to push it forward. To pull the ring back, slightly inhale through your mouth. This requires a delicate balance, so practice makes perfect. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.